what I'm gonna do. Ooh.
It's coming?
Looks like it. Yep. As soon as I put it down, the fish started coming for it. Yeah. Like, I was gonna go and get the other one and put like a spoon or something loud on it to try and attract them. Oh, why am I? Huge perch. But I put it down and then I saw something going up on the radar. That was kind of cool.
We haven't been shut out here. All right. That's what I caught last time.
Slide that skimmer over. Thank you. Whoop. Ooh, that feels like a good one. No, I just did that. There we go. Nice big perch. There's a keeper.
Cool, man.
Throw some of that crappie nibble on there.
Okay.
That seemed to work.
That's a big perch.
Ugh. Mouth.
That's a little carrot and a shiner.
Yeah. Christ is that?
Oh,
That's pretty gross. Maybe I'll throw it back. I don't really want to eat this thing.
is it its tongue? I don't know.
I have no idea what that is. Its stomach, maybe?
Never mind.
Yeah. I prefer not to eat stuff that I've seen the grossness it's in its mouth. It definitely had eaten a shiner, though.
Yeah, that's cool.
like these 10-inch holes, they're cool. Yes! Yep. Alright. That's fucking time, bro. Let's see if it's another weirdo one. Hey, it's got a shiner in its mouth too. It's a big one. Look at you. No, I probably should have left that in there so we could eat it, but... Cool. Alright. The hand one's still nice too when you don't want to make a big production out of it. Yes! Got a big one. Ooh! Do you want to keep any of these? Do you want to keep any of these? That one's pretty big. Word? It's a little largemouth. Yeah. Huh. Bass through the ice, alright. 10 pounds. Look at that. Yeah. It doesn't even have the stripes yet. Cool. Alright, so this hole's paying off now. Not the too exciting, but